Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how to add face effects, filters on WhatsApp video notes. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the WhatsApp, and after going to the WhatsApp, we have to go to the update section, and after going to the update section, we have to click on the add status, and now we have to go to the camera, and I will change to the front camera and my face will be shown, and then we have to choose the filters and effects we want. So let's click on this. So now simply we have to click on the camera, and after clicking on the camera we have to go to the video section, and after going to the video section we have to click on this option. As you can see, now the camera is swiped, so we have to choose. So as you can see, these were the filters and effects on the video notes you can add on your WhatsApp. You just have to go to the click on the camera, and then you have to choose the effects and filters you want, and after that you are done. So in this way you can choose any kind of filters and effects on the WhatsApp, and I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.